Okay, so for this one I'm gonna use Nexus 3 and Arena Ambience preset. So I'm also gonna use halftime 4 times. And some people don't use halftime when they type MIDI notes, but I'm gonna do with it. So let's go high enough. Okay. And I'm gonna go for D chord without the middle one, so we're in D minor. I'm gonna keep that and duplicate it. And do the same thing. I'm just changing the top note. So I'm just gonna duplicate that and just change the ending. Okay, so for the second melody I'm gonna use same piano without halftime, so I can steal some notes by clicking here, and let's use those. We can move those around. And I can also strum this if I press N and move this a little bit. So I found a vocal from Splice that I just want just a part of it. Just that. I'm just gonna use Alter Boy to drop it down. And add some reverb. So yeah, that's our sample. Let's hear it without adding some drums. Okay, so let's build some drums to see how it sounds. So yeah, I can now just duplicate the pattern and place it here and change it a little bit. Okay. So let's add some 808 as well. I mean D. So yeah, something like that, and let's hear just our drums. And with this, come on. Okay, just to recap how we made the sample, we just used a D minor chord without the middle note to make it sound darker, and used halftime by 4, and we just used some chords as the counter melody, 2-note chords. This is probably not called chords, but fine. And also we added a very simple vocal. So yeah, that's basically it. I hope you learned something, and I'll see you soon. Cheers.